Hi students, good morning all of you and welcome back our online class Science 7th standard. Students, today we are going to continue our the 7th chapter, that is weather and climate conditions. Yes, so in previous video already we have learned that what is the climate weather conditions. Okay, what is that average temperature but for a week and what are the average temperature for that year. We have tabulations already we have studied in the previous video. But students, today we are going to discuss about that what is the maximum and minimum temperature of the day. Okay students, so you know very well students, why the temperature changing. In summer that is maximum temperature, in the winter it is a minimum temperature. Okay, in during the daytime, that means afternoon, it is more heavy temperature, and in the morning it is less temperature. Why it is changing? What is that reason? Students, where we are getting this temperature? Actually, due to the sun rays, it is falling on the earth. So the temperature we are getting the heat, that is the temperature we are getting the temperature. Yes. So sun rays are falling on the earth surface. So due to that we are getting that heat or temperature. Yes. So students, why it is changing? Now because of the position of the earth. That when the orbits, whenever that earth is revolving around the sun and also it is revolving its one axis, at that time it is changing its position, it is changing its places. So that's why the temperature is changing. The sunlight or the sun rays are falling different ranges. Okay, so when the sun nearest to the sun, that time that sun rays more heavy there, and whenever it is the backside of that sun rays, then at that time the temperature is reducing. Okay student, so when what did you feel in the during this one day or during the daytime, when you are feeling that more hot? Can you say? Can you identify students? Okay, so when you are finding during that afternoon season, yes, that means 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock after, you are getting more terrible conditions in the daytime. Yes, afternoon time or that 2 to 3 o'clock, or at that time we are getting more heat. Why? Because at that time from the morning, that means when that temperature is 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock is raging, at that time that earth is absorbing more heat. Okay, during that time we are getting more heat. Then after whenever 5 o'clock, after that night time, it is reducing the temperature. That means sun rays are not falling on that same which surface in the daytime it has falls. That time the sun rays did not fall. Okay, so that's why the temperature is reducing on that particular place. So the temperature becoming when that less at the morning, in the early morning, the temperature is very less. Okay, so students, so let us discuss how that temperature is reducing. What are that we will discuss by this maximum and a minimum thermometer. Okay, you know that maximum minimum thermometer in previous classes, I mean 4th chapter already you have studied. To find that temperature of the day, what is the maximum and minimum temperature of the day, we are using the maximum minimum thermometer, that is just U-shaped thermometer. Okay students, so let us see what is the maximum and minimum temperature. Maximum temperature of the day is generally measured in the afternoon, whereas minimum temperature is measured in the early hour of the morning. So maximum temperature when you should find out that in the afternoon. Okay, and a minimum temperature you can measure in the early morning. That means see, whenever you will wake up, that means 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, like that time you will feel more cool. So that's why it is the less temperature. Okay, so it's very interesting note things students. This remember GK things. The highest recorded temperature on the earth at 58 degrees Celsius. See students, heavy 58 degree. You have in your basmat and you can observe maximum 40 or 39, 38, 40 degrees Celsius maybe. But 58 degrees Celsius, what is that terrible condition you should see? On the earth you observe where that means 13th September 1922, where Libya, in that one place, in Libya country, in that place, we got that what is the temperature, maximum recorded temperature, that is 58 degrees Celsius. Okay, in which year? 1922. Next, the lowest recorded temperature in the world was that Vostok station, that is Antarctica. on July 21st, 1983 at minus 89.6 degrees Celsius. Minus 1 degree, we are 7 degree means we are unable to stay, and where we are getting more uncomfortable. That means minus 1 degree, 0 degree means ice. Minus 89 degrees Celsius, that means how it is, you can understand. Okay, where it was observed in the Antarctica. That where it is, that place is Vostok Station. Vostok Station, Antarctica one. Vostok Station is there. In that July 21st, we got that 1983, the temperature reduced. Small, very recorded temperature, that means least temperature, that is how much friends, 89.60, that means near to equal to 90 degree, minus 90 degrees Celsius. Okay, so students, these are the maximum and minimum temperature of the day. Now we will discuss about the students, what is the humidity. What students, what is that humidity? One words you have heard also in previous lower classes. What is that humidity? That means it is the amount of water present or holds in the air. What is the air, water are present in that atmospheres? That is generally we should say, what is that? Humidity. So what is that definition? The capacity of air. What is that capacity of air to hold the water vapors in it at a particular temperature is called humidity. On a particular temperature with suppose 25 degree temperature today. At that time, how much water, amount of water vapors are present in the atmosphere or in air, that is called as a humidity. Okay friends, next relative humidity. What is that? Now it is the measure of the amount of water vapors present in the air at a specific temperature compared to the maximum amount of water vapors air can hold at the temperature. Did you understand what is the relative temperature means? Humidity and relative humidity, what is that? Relative humidity means the amount of water present. Whenever you have to calculate at a particular temperature, how much it is possible. Suppose 89% relative humidity can possible, but it is measured today what, how much? 70 degree, 70%. So that means whenever we are comparing that, that is called as a, what is that? A relative humidity. Okay, so it is expressed as a percentage value. How we are expressing? By